I'm not going to be giving any instructions for how to do this because if you do find a bird in the wild, abandoned, do not take it in. And if you do take it in, please locate an actual wildlife rehabilitator. You need permits to do this. You need training. It is illegal to tamper with wildlife and interfere and bring these animals into your home.
It's time to feed the baby.
What? And robins are insect eaters. Can you even see me? Robins are insect eaters, so they have a mostly protein-based diet. A couple of fruits, mostly berries, in there. Rude. Rude. Very rude. Birds are very messy. Even to like pet birds, domesticated birds, parakeets. Poop, food. I want to die. He just took a shit. And now he's behind the camera. Do you have warrants out for your arrest?
Icarus, god damn it.